Balenciaga, that's what she said.
Balenciaga, this is Pam.
That's cool. Hey, you know what's even cooler than Triceratops? Balenciaga.
Fact. Bears eat beets. Bears beets. Balenciaga.
I just want to lie on the beach and eat Balenciaga hot dogs.
How is it possible that in 5 years I've had 2 engagements and only 1 Balenciaga?
I am no longer in HR. I am now a model.
I declare Balenciaga.
It's Balenciaga fashion show that is really, really good timing.
Michael Balenciaga. Today, Balenciaga is gonna save lives.
Threat level, Balenciaga.
I miss Balenciaga. Congratulations, universe, you win.
I'm gonna start telling people what I want directly. I want Balenciaga.
Beats in Balenciaga.
Hit the like button and subscribe. Also check out this Balenciaga tutorial if you want to learn how to create videos like this one.